Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Aeroclassics DHL Douglas DC-8-63F. This model is produced by Aeroclassics in 2020, and it carries the bright yellow and red livery that DHL still wears to this day in 2023. The aircraft was powered by 4 Pratt Whitney JT3D Low bypass turbofans, producing up to about 18,900 pounds force, or 84 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 259 passengers, depending on layout and configuration, or, in a cargo configuration, can carry up to 71,000 pounds or 32 metric tons. This aircraft has a typical cruise speed of 483 knots or 895 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or just over 7,400 kilometers. As a note for collectors, Inflight 200 has produced a 1/200 scale version of the same aircraft in 2010. Inflight 200 has also produced two 1/200 versions of this aircraft from when it flew with CP Air. Also, Aeroclassics has a 1/400 version of this aircraft from its CP Air days. Originally, this DC-8-63 was delivered to CP Air on January 31st of 1968, wearing CP Air's red sheet line livery from the 1960s. At this time, the aircraft was registered as CF-CPP. From 1972 to 1973, the aircraft briefly flew for UT Air with their livery and a registration of F-BOLJ. 1973 saw the aircraft return to CP Air in their 1970s era orange, red, and silver livery of those days and re-registered as C-FCPP. 1974 saw this airliner begin service with Worldways Airlines. During this time period, while the aircraft would remain in Worldways livery, it would actually fly for Air Jamaica, Icelandair, and Air Algeria. This would occur from the late 1970s to the late 1980s. In December of 1991, after undergoing a cargo conversion, the aircraft began its cargo air freighter career with ATI, Air Transport International. The livery and registration changed again, and the aircraft registration became November 783AL. 1995, the aircraft would go to Airborne Express as November 819AX, and with some service in Airborne Express's own livery, and then come sometime in the late 1990s, the aircraft, while still owned by the same company, would work with a DHL yellow and red livery as seen on the model. Come 2009, the end was near. The aircraft started cargo service with Marine Airways in Ghana with a new registration of 9G-AXD. This career, however, would be short-lived as the aircraft would be scrapped in Accra, Ghana. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers. So if you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.